And coffee, fresh fruits and vegetable exporters will adopt a self-regulation model of safety and quality from next year. This is after a framework geared towards harmonization of standards for food safety, quality and environmental impact has been adopted during a 3-day workshop in Nairobi.
The recommendation I have for the national government is to encourage them support the self-regulation which we have come up with, so that private sector is responsible for ensuring the quality, ensuring the food safety of their products, and the government just comes in to support. This will increase the rate of compliance. It will also help us enhance the productivity.
In our region, it's very low. It's around 20%. If we compare this to other regional blocks where, for example, like SADC, they do more than 40%. So we need to do more in terms of trade. And such kind of frameworks or such kind of initiatives and interventions supported by the likes of GIZ are critical to help our sectors and to help our industries and SMEs to become compliant.
Actually, this is an important element. This is an important thing to government, because by having the private sector people coordinated and organized, it will actually minimize the government control or regulation of the same. And therefore the government role is actually, developing policies and guidelines which will help the government recognize schemes that will be developed by the private sector themselves. And once they recognize those schemes, it will actually minimize the number of inspections the government is doing in terms of making sure there is compliance in food safety or quality requirements.